Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Mystique on Dress to Impress. So let's get started with the video. My friend's here, so hello friend. She's there right now. So the skin color I use is 517B9F. I just did a little custom makeup. I just used these if you want to know what I use. I'm not going to go further into it though. Alright. For the hair, I use this reward item here. This one in this color 902A10 in animated front wind. For the fit, we're going to use this from VIP. If you don't have this, you can use just a turtleneck outside of VIP in a silk pattern material. Get this one. Color it white in just this color. I think I'm going to match the top more with the abs, or at least try to. I'm gonna make it a little bit darker than that. Okay, I don't think I can super match it that well. And then I'm just going to color the swirls in white. Unfortunately, I cannot change the material. If I can, I would. Then for the skirt, I'm going to use this one in white in silk, and I'm just going to color everything that same color. For the gloves, I'm going to be using this one in no fur in silk as well. And then for the boots, it's like flat, so I'm just going to use these socks in no feet in all silk. Same with these shoes as well, white in silk. To make the boots flat. You know, looks like boots, I guess, from afar. But I think that is a complete Mystique look. She doesn't really wear anything else that much. Maybe like you can add a belt if you'd like to, but I'm sticking with this. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.